In this video, we take a detailed look at wet stacking, the causes and how to prevent it. So what causes wet stacking? Wet stacking can occur on diesel engines where not all fuel has been burnt in the combustion process, and the unburnt residue therefore goes into the exhaust side of the turbo and into the exhaust system. This is due to the generator being run off load and effectively on idle. To run at its maximum efficiency, diesel generators must maintain a designated operational temperature to have a complete fuel burn. If operated below the designated operating temperature for long periods of time, wet stacking will occur. Can I fix wet stacking? At the early stages of wet stacking, burning any unburned fuel using a load bank can solve the problem. However, if wet stacking has occurred for a long period, it may require carrying out an engine rehaul to resolve the issue. How can I prevent wet stacking? The best way to prevent wet stacking is by ensuring that the generator is running on at least 75% of its maximum load capacity so that it reaches its optimal running temperature. Run the generator at this optimal running temperature for a few minutes once a week. It's also important to ensure the generator is regularly inspected and serviced by a professional. Why is wet stacking bad? An excessive amount of wet stacking will shorten engine life by several years. Increased deposits can result in a loss of engine performance as gases bypass the valve seatings. Exhaust buildup produces back pressure and deposits on the turbo blades, reducing turbo efficiency. To find out more, visit the full written blog on our website at powerelectrics.com/blog.